Welcome to the CyberGuy report. The test is on for the new Figure 1 humanoid robot, and soon it may be ready to hit assembly lines everywhere. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com. That is where my newsletter is free. Now, 6 months ago, Figure announced that their humanoid robot had gotten its first job on a BMW manufacturing plant assembly line. Now, they've just now released footage of their Figure 01 in action. Powered by AI and with a voice engine and language model from OpenAI for potential implementation in, say, customer operations, they're focusing the training of the Figure 1 to develop an AI behavioral model to increase its motions and pace. For now, the Figure 1 is handling its remedial tasks slowly and meticulously. With rubber-tipped fingers, the Figure 1 is learning to grasp large, complex shapes and how to move around a space without banging into objects. It's begun to be able to identify and fix its own mistakes. Now, it's still a ways off from replacing us humans on the assembly line, but over time, it's thought the Figure 1 will only get faster and more efficient. Before long, it might be doing all the work for us. That is until other AI robots outsmart and kill us all off. That's the plan, right? More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Comment below about this crazy story.